Good afternoon, Fluffy and Fit Gang. How y'all doing today? So today, what we're going to do is meal prep. So what I decided to do is show you guys cheap, inexpensive meal prep. Go to Dollar Tree, grab some stuff, spice it up, jazz it, however you want to do it. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to make veggie meatballs with honey sriracha glazed sauce on top of them to spice it up. You know, talking about veggie meatballs, but we're gonna jazz it up so that it still tastes good and it's healthy for you. So, oh, and on top of that, we're gonna have cauliflower rice again, Dollar Tree. So the meal I'm about to prepare for us is a $3 meal that's gonna last at least 2-3 days. It's enough. Yeah, meal prep. All right. So, let's get this show on the road. All right. So here is the veggie meatballs that I got from Dollar Tree. It says it has made with 5 different vegetables and a touch of Indian spices. So I'm a spicy person, so you can imagine, and Indians love their spices. So let's check it out. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna take a top full of avocado oil, just a top, to coat our skillet. Get our fire going. All right, we're gonna turn it down low due to the fact I'm not trying to burn the house down. But see, just coat in the skillet. And if you're fancy, I'm a little fancy, not all the way fancy. Got the little glaze brush. Got some stuff going on over here running water. So just make sure the entire base of the pan is coated. This is a non-stick pan, by the way, guys. And then we're just gonna dump the meatballs, frozen meatballs, in the skillet. Let them coat and call them. So gently brush them around the skillet. It says golden. I actually have the fire on 4, so I'm not trying to burn the house down again, like I said. And you can either do it this way or you can put it in the oven, air fry. I prefer air fry, but my air fry is kind of buried with all my other stuff over there. So we're gonna take the lazy route and do the skillet. So yeah, you can do oven. It's oven based or microwave. I stay away from microwave food. It doesn't taste the best. Oven all day, every day, and it's toast oven too. That's the best way to heat your food up. So be back in a second, guys. So while our meatballs are cooking, we gotta get us a aluminum pan. I prefer full at the bottom of it, less messy. My mom taught me aluminum full everything, so can't go wrong with that. So just for the bottom, as you can see, our meatballs are sizzling, looking pretty good. Hey, Rachel. That's what we talking about. Yum, 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 yum. Next, while all that's going, my favorite, cauliflower rice. Hi. I replace rice with this. Best thing ever. Again, at the Dollar Tree. $1 for this bag. Pop this in the microwave. It's steamed. So yes, I use the microwave for this. And pop it in. 6 minutes. 2 minutes. That'll be done. And then I have a bag of mixed vegetables that will go in the microwave as well. Or I can stove top them, which I think that's what I'm going to do. Put them in the stove, on the stove. So I'm try to avoid the microwave as much as possible, guys. We'll speed this process up. So there's our meatballs. They look a little, yeah, they're cooked. I like the brown ones. That's how I love my stuff brown. So now I'm going to put them in the oven while everything else is working and I work on my sauce. And we'll be back. Show you guys look. Oh, mixed vegetables now. We're gonna steam these. That's all. No water? Just a little bit. A little garlic salt. Just a pinch. Your vegetables some flavor. And then we're gonna cover it. I can't find the lid, so I'm gonna be good and put something on top of it. Let my steam look. We about to use this pan. Oh, look, perfect fit. Trap all that air in there. That's steam. Cauliflower's almost ready. Meatballs is chilling. Mixed vegetables, almost ready. I just gotta work on my sauce. So now we gotta start getting meal prep bowls together. Gotta have your meal prep bowls so you know what you're working with. Cauliflower rice is done. Make your bowls out for a few days. 3 days tops. I'll get my out. Here's how it's ready. Gotta stand on tippy toes. Rinse your bowls, wash your bowls. I really do appreciate you guys joining in with us. I keep saying us because this is one more person. She won't give me an idea. I should have showed you all when I cooked the veggie patties with gravy and cauliflower rice and mixed vegetables. I was like, that crap was good. Oh, just because, my elders be watching me, my season cooks. Church people, thank you. I appreciate all y'all. But I do have mouth money. So I'm warning you. It's not bad mouth. It ain't that good either. But yeah, I was surprised. Your girl got through down. I don't know the name of the veggie patties. My friend bought them for me, so I gave them a shot. Surprisingly, they were good. So my next video, I will definitely show you how to do it on those. All right, let's check on this rice and these meatballs. So our mixed vegetables are perfect, steamed beautifully, and the cauliflower steamed in the bag. It's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump the cauliflower rice over into the mixed vegetables. That's what I'm going to do, and I'm just gonna mix it. Normally I put like a, I don't know, gravy or something over it. Not today. Still not flames in it. Kind of reminds me of stir fry. Panda Express. That's what it reminds me of. We had already seasoned the mixed vegetables. You don't want to make your food too salty. Defeats the purpose. Oh yes, look at this guy. No way trying to split. I'm coming down. Alright. Turn this fire off. You don't want stuff to stick. We're not trying to make fried rice or anything. So, right. Our side dish is complete, guys. Mixed vegetables and cauliflower rice, which is all vegetables. Like I said, our meatballs are chilling like villains. And next, what we're gonna do is dump the rice in a bowl, clean the pot out, and work on our sauce so we can dump the meatballs in the sauce and get it together. All right, guys. So, just coming back, I'm finna top the meatballs off with the honey sriracha sauce I was telling you about earlier, and glaze them up real good. So you all can see what we have here. We have some veggie meatballs and some honey sriracha sauce, and we have the cauliflower rice mixed vegetable thing going there. May not look pretty, but I'm gonna give it a taste, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, I like my stuff a little crunchy, not burnt but crunchy. So that's, yeah, I'm not faking, guys. That's actually tasty. So that's our meal prep for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Inexpensive, not too long in cooking, but fluffy and fit. We in and out. Over and out. Bye, guys.